oops, it's not up there, it's up here. So it's the second one down that says 2D pocket on the right-hand side. Does everybody see that? Go ahead and click on it. And it's going to add up a whole new bunch of tools. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is you're going to hit the tool button right here. I am going to keep it simple, I think. So go to tutorial down here where it says inch, because some of you have the other one, some of you don't. So if you scroll down towards the bottom, there should be one that says tutorial inch. And then mine is number 1, and I bet yours probably is too. It should say, it should have the circle with a line through it. It should say 1/4 inch, and it should have the word flat on it. So you want a 1/4 inch flat bit. Everybody able to find it? And then hit select. Okay, and then now it tells you up here at the top you're using a 1/4 inch flat bit. Speed, 1500 is okay. Cut rate, anything that has the number 10 on it, I want you to change to the number 8. So there's a 10 there, there's a 10 here, there's a 10 here, and then there's, oops, yeah, it's fine. Change that to an 8, and then the one that has a 5 on it, change it to a 4. So the only thing that, so your cut rate, cutting feed rate, lead-in feed rate, all your feed rates except for the very last one should be 8, and the one that says plunge feed rate should be 4. And your speed should be 1500.
But what about your ramp feed rate? Are you changing that to 4, 2, or just 8?
We're not ready. Okay, then you're going to go to the next tab. It says geometry. Make sure your arrow is selected, and you're going to click on the bottom of what you're cutting out. So make sure you're not at the top of it, but you're actually at the bottom of it. You're going to click on that, and it should highlight that kind of like purplish color on the bottom. Bluish, purplish, whatever. Okay? Next tab. You should be good for all these. We're not going to worry about those. Let's see. You're doing an 1/8 inch, so we're probably good there. If your button that says stop to leave is checked, uncheck that, please, so that there's nothing checked. So none of these buttons down here should be checked. Make sure they're all unchecked. If you left this stop to leave, if you were planning on making an 1.5 inch hole, it would actually make a 1.48 inch hole, because it's going to leave it that much bigger. And remember, that would be bad when we're trying to fit something inside of it. So you got to make sure that that one's unchecked. That one's a critical one. Okay. Last one. Go to the last tab. Down here where it says ramp, I want you to hit that arrow. Where it says ramp type, I want you to change it to plunge. Okay? If you don't change it to plunge, it basically crashes the system on our mill. Because it spirals around and around and around as it goes down, instead of just going straight into it. And it doesn't like that. And then hit OK. When you hit OK, you should get some ziggly lines that mine didn't show up. Why did it not show up?
Did you not click face fit?
Oh, what I did wrong. Did you guys get ziggly lines on yours?
No.
That's like the bottom one. Why for we not have lines? Selected the tool. Selected the geometry. You should be getting lines. So no one got lines, like little squiggly lines that go like this, back and forth?